How to create daily schedule on Microsoft Excel app. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create daily schedule on Microsoft Excel easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Excel. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner and click on this plus icon. Now after you click on it, scroll down until you find the weekly schedule option right here, and after you find it, click on it like this, and here you go. Now you can edit the schedule easily from here by clicking on the text. For example, here click on it 2 times and you can edit it easily. Upload video, for example, upload video, and it's done. Click save, and here is it, easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe.